tandaan nyo, and I'm going to discuss audit reports for online registration management system of White-Canes. First is the negative findings. No time interval filter option when generating reports. The system lacks a time interval filter option when generating reports. Na kailangan talaga ng generate ng reports ito kasi para lamang makita kung ano lang yung gusto ng admin sa kanyang reports. It is recommend to add time interval filter to their reports kasi para ma-filter kung gaano katagal gusto niyang makita sa kanyang reports. Positive findings. The format of the report is well designed. Nakita naman natin dito sa picture is malinaw yung reports nila. Nandito yung name, departments, grade level, strand, and scholarship na kailangan talaga ng admin na makita sa kanilang reports. And that's all for the audit of reports. Thank you.